Makeup for blue-gray eyes. Imagine actually having these eyes. I wish. An even, flawless, smooth base because we're doing full coverage, luminous skin. It needs to be glowing just as much as our eyes. Bronze skin will make the eyes pop even more blue and bright. Using these warm shades are going to bring out a soft green hue, so just be ready for people to stare at you. I'm using the Smashbox Always On Mood Board palette in Bougie Vibes. Taking this matte coral color all over the lid. Just be ready for people looking into your eyes, trying to figure out what is your eye color. So incredibly buttery. Deep clay color on the crease for added drama. I'm gonna take this color and this one right here and pop it on. Glides on so easy. This deep purple shimmer for a liner. I love how versatile the textures are in this palette. There's 3 different textures. Formulated with avocado oil, my favorite, and vitamin E. So I'm thinking that's why they're so buttery. And you don't need a primer to prep the eyes because it's infused in the formula. These kind of eyes only need a light corner lash, a neutral pink blush, a soft glow on the high points of the face, a nude lip, and now you have